Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos. I'm LaTina Webb, and this is Let's Get to Cookin'. Hi everybody, I'm LaTina Webb, and welcome to Let's Get to Cookin'. Today, we're gonna learn how to make pesto. So this amazing pesto you can use for so many different things, as you know, and you can put this in the fridge for about a week to use for you and your family, or you can freeze it as well. You can put the pesto in your ice cube trays, and then you can pop them out, put them in freezer bags, and save them in the freezer as well. To make this pesto, we need 3 cups of basil, we need a cup of parsley, a half cup of olive oil, a half cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 garlic clove, and then we need a half cup of nuts, pine nuts if you'd like, or you can use walnuts. Right here I have walnuts and pecans. Okay. All right, and you also need a food processor that works really, really well. So I have one here, and so what you're gonna do is, you can leave the stems on for the food processor. I'm just gonna take off the largest stem and eliminate that guy from these guys. Got your clean, fresh basil. Don't you just love basil? It smells so good. So versatile, you can do so many things with it. Okay, I'm gonna toss this in the food processor. All right, just cutting off the large stems, but you can just dump this in there. All right, got this beautiful KitchenAid. I love my KitchenAid. Okay, so that's 3 cups worth of basil. Then we have about a cup's worth of parsley. Just gonna put 3 sections, put that in there. Then you have your walnuts and your garlic clove, or clove of garlic. Okay. All right, pop that in there, your walnuts in there. This is super easy, super quick. Your Parmesan cheese, your half cup. Start blending these first. Here we go. And finally, your olive oil, and you're gonna put that in as you go. I have this cool little cap on top that dispenses the oil, like distributes it quite evenly. Pretty cool, KitchenAid. Check it out. Smells. We just mixed this up in the food processor, and the texture looks really, really nice. So when you make this at home, according to how many leaves you have, basil and parsley, and then how much oil you have, you want to incorporate your oil into the mixture on the food processor when it's blending, little by little, until you get the right mixture for yourself. Transfer to your favorite jar. So you can put this in the fridge and use this within a week. Or, some people freeze their pesto in little ice cubes. And that way you can just put them in a little Ziploc bag and use them as you need them, like 1 or 2 servings at a time. However you need. Each ice cube is probably like 1 or 2 servings. Pesto. Thank you so much for watching. I'm LaTina Webb, and I'll see you next time on Let's Get to Cookin'.